fellas? Welcome back to a trade recap video. Um, so this was yesterday's trade, so wasn't today, so we're just recording it a little bit late. Market's gonna be open in here in like 40 minutes here, so got a little bit of time to do this and get it done. So let's just kind of start off. So yesterday's trade started out on Nasdaq. Had this 4-hour draw on liquidity here. Had this 4-hour draw on liquidity here. That was what I had for my 4-hour confluences here. Then I scaled into the hourly time frame, and then I seen that we had these hourly highs here. There was also no other significant draws on liquidity I was looking for. There was this draw on liquidity here, but we had already almost taken that out when market was opening, and that was in this 30-minute bullish for value gap here. So we can see that, boom, 30-minute bullish for value gap. And we also have this 30-minute bullish order block right here. So this is our order block. And then we kind of scale in, and then we can see that I have this as 30-minute filled / respected, right? So we could kind of see that right here on this candle here, market open, we could see that, we completely filled this. Let's just move this a little bit out of the way. Yeah, so it's a 7:30 candle. We can almost completely filled this here, and then on this candle we did completely fill it. So you can see that we opened right here, then we came all the way down here, swept out 4-hour liquidity, and we ended up closing right here. So we ended up respecting this range after, or respecting this value gap after sweeping out liquidity. So to me, that was pretty bullish, and to me that was a lot more bullish confirmation that market wanted to trend upwards, right? So now we can scale in. You can kind of see that this is what I was talking about. Price come out, took out this, took out these lows, and then respected it. So after we took out this 4-hour liquidity here, I'm just looking for any type of confirmation, right? So you can see that we take out liquidity, we make this 1-minute inverse value gap here, invalidate this right here, this price. Yeah, so you can see that we invalidated this price range right here by completely closing through it. And then we made a high right here, we broke structure, so boom. Now we got two confluences. Now we're just looking for a retrace and a respect of this right here, right? So now we get this retrace, get the respect. I enter off of this. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty much all it was to it. I entered off the respect of this inverse for value gap, put the stop loss below the inverse, and then first take profit. This draw on liquidity right here. Yeah, I mean, that's really all it was to it. I mean, low resistance, draw on liquidity for the final take profit. I mean, could have probably done more, but I only had 1 unit for this trade. So, I mean, yeah, fellas, that's really all I have for this trade today. Took a dub, so it's always good. I mean, we could try to come back and do it again today here in like 30 minutes. Well, now that we're already doing this, is just kind of mark out what we're looking for, and then we'll make our recap later and see if see what happens. So we have this 4-hour draw on liquidity here. Market's out with a white line. 4-hour draw on liquidity here. 4-hour draw on liquidity here. Hourly draw. Here, let's just mark these. 4-hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. No. 4-hour. And this is a 4-hour draw on liquidity too. Just make sure. Yep. 4-hour hour draw, hourly draw. Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty good to me there. I mean, then we have this hourly for value gap. Right there. So, something that I might be looking for is a sweep out of these lows and then a respect and fill of this, and then maybe even a sweep of these lows and then a tap into here. That would be pretty cash money, but yeah, fellas, that's really all I have. If you guys liked this video or enjoyed it at all, let me know. Drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in a few hours for trade recap for today. All right, fellas, peace.